Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics Chapter 2 Differentiation Long Question Example 4. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. For the question part A, given that fx is equals to 2x minus 6 in a bracket to the power of 5, find f double prime x. Okay, this double prime indicating that you need to perform differentiation for 2 times. Okay, so moving on to the question part B, given that gx is equals to x square minus 1 in a bracket to the power of 4 over 1 plus 2x, find g prime 0. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Okay, let us begin our discussion with the question part A first. Okay, given that fx is equals to 2x minus 6 to the power of 5. Okay, so the first step what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate this first. Okay, when you differentiate this, you get f prime x. So your f prime x will be equals to, so the 5 you times in front and the power you minus with 1. So from here, 5 in a bracket 2x minus 6 to the power of 4. Okay, and most important thing, you need to times with the differentiation of inside this bracket. So in this case, when you differentiate the inside bracket, you should get 2. Okay, so 5 you times with 2, so from here you should get your f prime x is equals to 10 in a bracket 2x minus 6 to the power of 4. So this is your first step. Okay, once we get the f prime x, now we can proceed to find the f double prime x, which is the second derivative. Okay, so from here you differentiate this. So similar step, the 4 you times with 10 and then the power you minus with 1, and then you need to multiply with the inside differentiation. So from here, f double prime x is equals to 40 times with 2x minus 6 power of 3, and then you multiply with the inside differentiation, which is 2. Okay, so your f double prime x will be equals to 80 times with 2x minus 6 to the power of 3. Okay, so this will be your final answer for question part A. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, so let us proceed our discussion for the question part B now. Okay, for the question part B, to find the differentiation of the gx, we're going to use the quotient rule. Okay, so in this case, the numerator will be the u and the denominator is going to be the v. Okay, if you don't know the quotient rule, okay, allow me to write the formula over here. So given that the quotient rule is equals to v u prime minus with u v prime, and then you divide with b square. Okay, let me underline the fraction and box the formula. So let us continue. Okay, from here let us write down the gx over here. So given that gx is equals to x square minus 1 to the power of 4, okay, over 1 plus 2x. Okay, let me underline the fraction. So let us solve this question step by step, guys. Okay, in this case, u will be equals to x square minus 1 to the power of 4. So in this case, your u prime will be equals to 4 times with x square minus 1 power of 3. Okay, and then you times the differentiation of inside the bracket, in this case will be 2x. Okay, and then you should get your u prime is equals to 8x in a bracket x square minus 1 cube. Okay, so this is for the u. Let us proceed for the v now. Okay, so v is equals to 1 plus 2x. So as for the v prime, okay, you differentiate this, you should get 2. Okay, so we have already got the relevant information. Now we can use to find the differentiation using the quotient rule. Okay, so from here, g prime x will be equals to, okay, v you times with u prime. Okay, from here 1 plus 2x, okay, you times with 8x in a bracket x square minus 1 cube minus with u v prime. Okay, so from here x square minus 1 to the power of 4 times with 2. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, divide with v square. Okay, in this case v is 1 plus 2x, so v square will be 1 plus 2x square. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. So let us continue the expansion. So for the next step, what you can do is 1 plus 2x we can times with 8x. Okay, so from here your g prime x will be equals to 8x plus with 16x square. Okay, and then in the bracket x square minus 1 to the power of 3 minus with x square minus 1 to the power of 4 times with 2. Let me underline the fraction. Okay, and then you divide with 1 plus 2x square. Okay, so this x square minus 1 to the power of 3 and x square minus 1 to the power of 4, we can actually factor out the lowest term. Okay, in this case we can factor out x square minus 1 to the power of 3, so we can factor out this term in the numerator. Okay, so let me show you in the next step. So from here g prime x will be equals to, so x square minus 1 to the power of 3 will be factored out, so you only left with 8x plus with 16. Okay, and then minus with x square minus 1, and then times with 2. Okay, so when you factor out x square minus 1 power of 3, so this 3 will become 0, so it is understood guys, it should be 1, but you can choose to neglect it. Okay, whereas this power of 4 will be reduced to power of 1, that's why you have here x square minus 1. Okay, so and then let me underline the fraction. Okay, so you divide with 1 plus 2x squared. Okay, so you solve the inside bracket, the square bracket. So from here you should get your g prime x is equals to, so x square minus 1 cube, okay, in a bracket, square bracket. So from here 8x plus 16. Okay, you times this one first. Okay, so minus 2x square minus 1. Okay, so the negative you can straight away times in, so from here you get negative 2x square plus 2. Okay, I'm just showing you step by step guys, so that you can able to understand the working. Okay, so and then you divide with 1 plus 2x square. Okay, let us continue. So from here, solve this, you should get x square minus 1 cube. So the inside bracket will be, wait guys, oh, now only I noticed there is a slight mistake over here. Okay, it should be 16 x square. Okay, so thank God I noticed it. Okay, otherwise it would be a big problem. Okay, so 16x square minus with 2x square, so you will end up getting 14x square. Okay, and then you plus with 8x. Okay, and you plus with 2. Okay, and then divide the whole equation by 1 plus 2x square. So this is our first step, guys. Okay, so we have already simplified this. So now we can proceed to find the g prime 0. Okay, so from here your g prime 0 will be equals to 0 square minus 1 cube. Okay, and then you times with 14. Let me write this properly. 14 times it 0 square, okay, plus with 8 times it 0 plus with 2, okay, close bracket. Oops. Okay, and then you divide with 1 plus 2 times it 0 square. Okay, you solve this. So over here you'll get negative 1. Okay, and then inside the bracket you should get is 2. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, please hang tight guys, we are very close to the final answer. I know it's tedious. Okay, so the denominator here you should get is 1. So from here you should get your final answer. G prime 0 is equals to negative 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, let me underline the solution for the question part B. Okay, I know guys, I've made mistake in the in-between calculation, but luckily I've fixed it just in time. Okay, otherwise it would be a big trouble. Okay, so let me scroll it up. So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.